So it's starting to get pretty hot. Aluminum melts at 660 degrees Celsius. We're at like 730, so let's add some more. I don't know if you heard it just kick on, but it's kicking on and off to maintain the temperature that I set it to. I don't think you want to get aluminum too hot. I have a technique of trying to fold the can in half. It's over there flaming the paint off and the soda, whatever else is left in there. And folding the can in half works pretty good. Little did I know how small this thing was. But not bad for my first time. That can't be good to breathe. Yellow smoke and whatnot. So there's 10 cans, let's add 10 more.